Guys, welcome to Web Templates. So today we are going to learn how to disable home builders. As you can see here, if you open the home page, as you can see here, this is the interface that we have. Now let's say we can add levels and we can show all these posts we want. But what if we want something to remove? Okay, like I don't want to add any of that. So how would I do that? I just want this one. Okay, so how would I do that? So it's really easy. If you come here in the home builder section, as you can see here, home builder, as you can see here the feature post. If you click here, there's a two options you have. First, you can click here remove and this widget gonna remove. But there's one drawback. Once you remove that, it's gonna remove from here. As you can see, it's going to remove from here. But the drawback is that you have to create again that. You have to write this way. Only then it will work. Another option is that you see here the status. If you edit here, as you can see here it is on. If you click off and then save it and again here save it. If you reload again here, as you can see that our post is not showing. The same thing we can do with different. As you can see we have the widgets but it's not showing. Let's say trading. As you can see here, it's a trading. Okay, here we can't see the text. Now let's click here. Again we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna just click here and do off and then save it. Click save and save here again. Now if you reload again here, as you can see that it's not showing. So in this way you can easily able to remove that all of them. You just let the post show. Another option, as I told you, that you can remove that. Let's start with this one. We're gonna remove this one. Okay, we're going to remove this. Click here remove that. In this way it also get removed. Okay, like before you are seeing that, after remove you are not seeing it, as like before you don't see it. So the both ways work. Now we remove that widget. Now we're gonna add the widget. So how we do that? So click a gadget. Now select linked list, as you can see here, and focus here. You can see here there's a add a new item. Click here. Now what you need to do is to write the level. So write the level, level, and the name of your level, whatever you want to show. Let's say I want to show AI level, so I will search AI, save. Then you need to click here again, add a new item. Now second come style, STYL style. There's a couple of style. You can check PDF, doc, there you can find it. So I'm going to choose like a grid. A grid, save. Now one more. I'm gonna like count, COUNT, count means how many posts I want to show. Let's say I want to show like 4. Now I'm gonna save this. Now save it. Now again save it here. Now we're gonna reload again. As you can see that we are seeing around 4 posts. So you have two options. You can just remove it directly or edit it in a status. In the both way you're gonna remove. But the easiest way I would recommend you that come here. Okay, the status you see is off, so it's gonna remove. Just do this way. It's a much better, and you don't need to remove or add that. You can choose this option. It's up to you whatever you want to do. Let's see. I'll just do this one. Let's say self help. Now save this level. Save it. Save this. As you can see that the self help, it's here. So this way you can able to remove or add widgets. Okay, that's how you do that. Thank you for watching. Meet you again next video.